In this video, we are going to see how we can log out of all devices or specific devices in Gmail. So if your Gmail is connected to multiple devices and you want to log out from some devices, maybe let's say you have a stolen phone or something like that, or maybe just you want to let this Gmail account to be connected to limited devices, you want to check that or whatever. Here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just click on the gear icon on the top right hand corner in the settings. Click on that. So what we want to do is just click on the right hand corner and click on the profile icon and click on manage your Google account here. From here on the left hand side, you will see the security and sign in. Click on that. And from here, if you scroll down all the way to your devices section, we can see the devices we are logged into. And if you want to remove some of the devices, you click on manage all devices. And from here, we will see the devices it is connected to. So for example, I want to get rid of this device. We are not using this device and also it is inactive for 83 days. So we click on this and it will just ask you for the confirmation just by entering your password. You can confirm that it's you. And once we confirm the login, you can either sign off this device. You can find this device from here. So it will ring, or you can simply remove and sign out from here. Click on sign out, click OK. And similarly, for whatever device it is in use, wherever you have mentioned that credentials and you want to remove that just because it is not being used by that ID, we click on simply sign out of that device. So just go through all of these devices one by one, and whatever you want to remove, you can just simply click on that and you can sign out from there. And that's about it. You go back and that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.